Before you buy any gel nail polish, there's one thing no brand tells you up front, and it's why so many people end up with chipped, dull nails after just a few days. Most sets look amazing online, but the real test is whether they actually stay shiny and intact through daily life. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Beetle's 32 Color Spring Set. This Beetle's 32 color gel set caught my eye because it includes everything base coat, 3 types of top coats, and a huge range from nudes to bold glitters, all for under $26. If you want salon quality variety without buying individual bottles, this is worth a serious look. The 5 ml bottles are small but go a long way, and the inclusion of matte, glossy, and holographic top coats means you can completely change the vibe of any color. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having multiple top coat options lets you customize durability and finish based on your week, glossy for shine that lasts, matte for subtle elegance, or holographic for nights out. The formula cures in 60-120 seconds under UV LED light and claims 28-day wear, which matches what most users report when applied correctly. Now, some people complained about the base coat being too thick or the glitter colors separating over time. Here's the thing though, shaking the bottles before use and applying thin layers fixes both issues. It's not perfect, but for the price and sheer versatility, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you love switching up your nail look often and want a full starter kit in one box. Skip this one if you only wear neutral tones and don't need 32 colors. For under $26, you're getting incredible value, especially since similar kits from other brands cost twice as much. Product number 2, Beetle's Blooming Gel. Now, if the previous set's lack of specialty effects bothered you, this blooming gel is where things get creative. Priced at just $10.28, this 15 ml clear gel lets you make marble, watercolor, floral, and gradient designs with zero experience. If you want professional-looking nail art without paying salon prices, this is worth a serious look. The key here is how it reacts under the lamp. You apply it first, then drop colored gel on top and use a brush to bloom the design outward. It works with any gel system and cures quickly in 60-120 seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of buying separate art gels or investing in expensive tools, this one bottle unlocks endless design possibilities. Users love how forgiving it is. Even shaky hands can create beautiful effects because the gel stays workable long enough to adjust. Now, some people complained about a stinging sensation during curing. Here's the thing though, that's common with blooming gels due to the chemical reaction under UV light. The brand recommends removing your hand briefly if it happens, then continuing. It's not dangerous, just uncomfortable for sensitive users. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY nail art and want an easy, affordable way to level up your designs. Skip this one if you only stick to solid colors and never experiment. At under $11, it's a low-risk way to explore nail art seriously. Product number 3, Beetle's Jelly Gel Set. Alright, that was a solid creative option. But the next one might actually be even better for everyday wear, especially if you love sheer, natural-looking nails. This Whispers of Love Jelly Gel Set has 6 milky, translucent shades that build from barely there to soft opacity. At $12.86, it's ideal if you want salon-worthy French tips or dewy nude looks without the bulk. The jelly texture gives your nails a fresh, cherry blossom vibe, perfect for spring or professional settings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike opaque gels that can look heavy, these sheer layers adapt to your natural nail bed, making them flattering on all skin tones. They're also toxin-free and flexible, so they move with your nails instead of cracking. Just remember, you'll need to buy base and top coat separately, which the product page doesn't highlight up front. Now, some people complained about the polish feeling thick in cold weather. Here's the thing though, soaking the bottle in warm water for a minute fixes it instantly. It's a minor hassle, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you prefer minimalist, elegant nails that look polished but not painted. Skip this one if you want full coverage or don't want to buy additional base top coats. For the price, it's one of the most wearable gel sets out there. Product number 4, Beetle's No Wipe Top Coat. Now, if the jelly set's need for separate top coat frustrated you, this no-wipe top coat solves that exact problem and might be the most underrated product on this list. At just $7.71 for 15 ml, it's compatible with every gel brand and leaves a mirror shine without the sticky residue layer. If you want long-lasting gloss without extra cleanup, this is worth a serious look. The no-wipe feature means after curing, you can immediately go about your day, no alcohol swabs needed. It also adds flexibility, reducing chipping by conforming to nail movement. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most top coats leave a tacky layer that attracts dust and requires wiping, which can dull the finish over time. This one skips that step entirely while still delivering 28-day wear. Now, some people complained it feels sticky right after curing. Here's the thing though, that's normal for no-wipe formulas. Just avoid touching anything for 2 minutes and it sets perfectly. This is perfect for you if you're tired of wiping down your nails post-cure or want maximum shine with minimal effort. Skip this one if you're using very old or incompatible gel brands, though it works with 99% of Sokoff gels. For under $8, it's a game changer for hassle-free manicures. Product number 5, Beetle's 44-piece Mega Set. Finally, if you're serious about building a complete at-home nail station, this 44-piece set is the ultimate all-in-one. At $34.74, you get 36 gel colors, base and top coats, and tools like a nail file, buffer, and cuticle stick, basically everything except the lamp. If you want maximum value and variety in one purchase, this is worth a serious look. The colors span classics like black, white, and red to trendy nudes and glitters, and the inclusion of tools means beginners can start immediately. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most kits skimp on accessories, forcing you to buy them separately. This one bundles essentials, saving you time and money. The gel itself lasts up to 28 days when applied properly, just like the smaller sets. Now, some people complain the tiny 5 ml bottles run out fast with frequent use. Here's the thing though, that's true of all mini gel sets. If you're a heavy user, consider buying full-size refills later. But for most people, this amount is perfect. This is perfect for you if you're new to gel nails or want a gift that includes everything. Skip this one if you already own tools or prefer larger bottle sizes. For under $35, it's the best complete package Beetle's offers. So which one should you grab? If you want variety, go with the 32 color set. Love nail art? The blooming gel is a must. Prefer natural looks? The jelly set wins. Need a reliable top coat? The no-wipe version is a steal, and if you want everything at once, the 44-piece kit delivers insane value. Just remember, no gel lasts without proper prep and curing. Do yourself a favor, buff, clean, and cure fully. Your manicure will thank you.